What is going on? John here from Agile, and right here, right now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make upwards of $120,000 per month if you really grind at this, selling yoga products. Yoga is a huge, huge niche, and I have so many friends absolutely crushing it in this niche. But there's only one way to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it right here in this video. And at the end of this video, so stick around, I'm going to make sure to invite you to something that's going to help you double or triple your business right now. If you're running Facebook ads or you're trying to get into Facebook ads or drop shipping, you're going to double, triple your business at the end of this video. So stick around. You're going to learn a ton. And let's get right into it. Hit that subscribe button for me. And the key here with drop shipping yoga products is, yes, yoga is an amazing niche. But the thing is, with drop shipping anything, you have to find the product, right? You have to go ahead and make that Facebook ad, make the video, spend 20, 30 minutes making the video, or pay somebody to do it. You have to find all of the correct targeting on Facebook. You have to make the page post. You have to create the campaign, make each ad, and then you have to kind of hope to see, let's see if it's a winner or not. That process right there, we have tons of clients that I talk to, and their biggest headache is, I know I need to test more products. I know the only way I'm going to be successful with this process is if I test more products, right? So how do I, I only have so many hours in a day. How do I test multiple products a day? So we figured it out. Now we use AdChill. I don't know I'm sure you probably already have AdChill, but if you don't, you can get that below, and we can test products in 5 minutes. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or not, you know that if my competitors are spending an hour per product, I'm spending 5 minutes per product, I can test 20 times as many products in the same time. So who's going to win at the end of the day? So now I'm going to give you access to how to not only find winning yoga products so you can scale up to, these numbers, if not double that, and then how to rapid test so you can find winners in the yoga niche, opposed to just, kind of walking along like most of the industry's going right now, spending an hour and a half per product, testing 3 products per day. What if you could test 10 products per hour? So let's just jump right into it. So I'm just going to go very broad, right? I'm going to type in yoga. Now you can do the same process I'm about to show you, and I hope you do it for yoga pants, yoga mat, yoga leggings, yoga top, yoga pants women, yoga socks, yoga set, yoga block. Wow, I sound like I'm rhyming there. But I'm going to type in yoga block. Okay, click orders here, right? Now you're searching by popularity, pretty much. You can see 1,500 orders, right? So these are all really good products to sell. Now you want to go all the way down to even 100 orders, because this is where most of your competitors are stopping. They'll look here, they'll launch one of these products. They'll spend an hour, 2 hours launching these 3 products, whatever. But since we can launch products in 5 minutes, we can go to the second page. We can go to the third page, whatever we want to do, because we have more time. We're going to crush our competition. So if I look at this one, foam roller, okay, that looks like a good one. Looks pretty unique, actually. I'm pretty familiar with yoga stuff. And this actually looks like a unique product. And what I like about this one is it's $20. So that means I can sell it for $49. And that's a little higher ticket product. And if you see my other videos, you can tell I like high ticket products, because to get to this number right here, that's less products you have to sell, right? So I use a mix of, low ticket, high ticket, pretty much anything that sells well, I do. But the reason I can do that is because I have more time, because I can launch products in 5 minutes. And I know I've been yapping a lot here. Let me just show you how to launch this product. And just keep in mind, now that you have access to launch products in 5 minutes, and I'm talking the video, the targeting, the campaigns, all that good stuff. Now that you have access to do that with AdShow, you can go ahead and go to page 2, 3, 4, all those different keywords here. Just search by orders to find the demand, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you the example for this product here. and your mind's going to be blown, and then just kind of repeat the process over and over again for the other products, and you'll find winners. When you find winners, come back to me, check out the other videos, and ask me any questions. I will guide you to success. Go ahead and click product URL. This is Oberlo. If you're not using Oberlo, it's a big time saver. But what I really want to show you is how to make the ads with Jvzoo. It's really, really awesome. Let's call this foam massage roller. Okay, I'll just call it foam massage roller. And I'm gonna fly through this. I'm not even gonna write a description for now because I'm just testing to see, is this a profitable product or not. I'm gonna do 44.95, probably a fair price. And then let's say it was $89.95 prior to this. Let's make sure there's a couple good images because Jvzoo is going to go ahead and take the best images and make a video. So I always like to use, whenever you're making a video, try to use ones that there's a person in, like that, like this, and click import store. Now this is where you're gonna crush your competition. If you can test more products, you're gonna find more winners. If your competition spending an hour and you're spending 5 minutes, what's gonna happen? You're gonna find way more winners. So open up your store here, and if you have ad show, you'll have this little create ad show from the drop down, more actions, and it's gonna make the video for you. So boom, you just saved yourself 30 minutes of time, right? It's pretty neat. Your competitors are not doing that. Let's go ahead and make it a little bigger so I can say something like, if comment yes if you love this. Let's go ahead and click 1. Let's call this block or roller. I'm gonna make a white thumbnail. I'm gonna actually change this to white. I think it might look a little better. I should probably not have weird, funky things like that. And then boom, I'm done with video. Make video, and Jvzoo's creating the video. So what I'm gonna do while that's being created, I'm gonna grab the link to my store, because on the next page, we're gonna find the targeting, and then the following page, we're gonna actually launch the page post. So we're saving like an hour, hour and a half of your time. And like, this is the #1 key to crushing it with, yoga products or any product. If I can test more products, if I can test 10 products a day in an hour, while you're spending 10 hours for the same product, like, you're not keeping up with me. So comment yes if you love. Perfect. Good little video. And you can see foam party, foam rolling. See, it takes your keywords, right? Or you could also put in like yoga up here, and it does all your audience insights for you, all your targeting for you. So I'm going to type in foam rolling. I can see heat rub is probably a good one. Trigger point. Go ahead and click add. And now let's, find a couple of yoga ones as well. Yoga, how about hatha yoga? A little more specific. And then let's add just one more. Let's do vinyasa. Click add, and boom, we have 5 different interests selected here, right? And these are gonna create 5 different ad sets. You can see the audience sizes and all that good stuff. I click next step. I'm gonna paste in, this is where we put our page post. I'm gonna say grab yours. And what I'll do is go ahead and say, isn't this a unique foam roller? It works wonders. Try it out today. Free shipping today only. Now you want to make sure that they have a reason to buy it today. So, say something like today only, put a nice yoga person on there, and boom. Actually, it doesn't look like it wants me to put the let's try another one. Wants to have that weird little color thing there. But anyways, I wrote the post right there. They can grab theirs with that link. I'm going to pick my page, right? If we pick the right page, boom, it makes the page post for us. It's pointing towards my pixel. I can pick add to cart, view content, or purchases. I like to do add to cart. I'm going to do $3 ad sets, women only, 25 plus. Actually, I'm not going to do women only because I know some men like this. Now I'm going to do women only. Ad chill roller. Boom, just like that. I'm done. So like it made the video, it made the campaign, and I went really, really slow on this one, but I wanted to walk you through it. Now you just simply go back and you go do it for all these other yoga products, right? Type in yoga pants, search by orders, find ones that you think are potential winners, test it with AdShow. Boom, 5 minutes. I mean, ask yourself this. Is it worth 5 minutes to see if you can find a winning product when a winning product can bring you in? Like one winning product can do numbers like this. So as long as you're working at it, you will find winners. And you can see they're uploading here now. I can probably check my campaigns here on Facebook and see that the campaign ad chill roller is being uploaded, all the correct targeting, US women 25 plus, Hatha yoga, this one's trigger point, and there's probably 3 or 4 more to come as they're uploading. You can see the video looks nice, the actual ad, people can click on it, and we're gonna crush it because we're gonna spend $15 or so figuring out, hey, is this a winner or not? And if it gets a lot of clicks, it gets a lot of add to carts and any purchases, we go ahead and we start optimizing. Now, how do you optimize? You implement upsells. You do all that stuff that I show in my other videos. If you have any questions, by any means, you can see this nice little video. Creates it really quickly, saves you a ton of time. Now you can crush your competition. So what I want you to do from here is hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, of course, right? We're dropping so much knowledge every single day on Facebook ads and how to crush e-commerce and all that good stuff, right? Number 2, if you have any question, just one question, like, I mean, it could be multiple, but like, what's your most burning question from Facebook ads or Shopify? Ask me it below and I will answer it. Might be in a video, might just be in text. I will answer it. Now, number 3, if you don't already have AdShow, you obviously want it now because you can test products in 5 minutes opposed to an hour and a half, and you're gonna crush your competition. I want you, if you're interested in yoga products, I want you to get to numbers like this. And I'm gonna do everything in my power to help you get there. So that's about it, guys. As I promised at the start of the video, since you did hang around, this is not something we give to everybody or allow everybody into. We have to make sure that, hey, you're actually committed to this. If you want to be inside of a mastermind group with me and my friends who are absolutely crushing it with Facebook ads, AdChill, Shopify, I put a link below, and that's my gift to you. You can go ahead and join right now by clicking that link because you stuck around for the whole video. Other than that, guys, you know the drill. Subscribe, check out the links, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, have a great day. Test some products, find some winners. Bye.